Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV guys, and we're making our way to the river guys. I want you guys to subscribe to I want you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get the channel to 20,000 subscribers. And also guys, follow me on all socials at Fanika TV guys. I'm on Instagram, and I'm also on Facebook at Erica Shackelford. That's ERICASHACKLEFORD. And guys, I don't have a Telegram. If you see a Telegram of me with any picture of me, guys, just report it to Telegram guys. I don't have a Telegram. So let's go.
Where that green blows there do this?
Share. And every day me you go a river. Okay guys, the rain did fall a while ago. So the road kinda muddy. If me I walk, then if not hear the pluck. But it's there. I have to take time I'm walking. It would slidey, especially like when rain just fall. And then the rain even fall hard, It just it fall, but not enough of it. All it do make it place slidey. And you will drop if you know walk good. Hey guys. So me see. This one man go somewhere down this over there. I want there for one next water hole this somewhere down this. Me see him walk go. Oh dear guys. I'm not 100% sure if one next, because we don't really explore the river like that. We just go one place at the river for me know myself, and then it look like nothing, not that deep hole there, because even people will come from down the side there. Me sure no. Hey guys, this away. Then I make them clear out the space, because they must say I go fix the road. I'm going to fix the road. So me here they say, because I don't really see nobody come back and do no work on. But so then that make road for the tractor. I don't really see nothing going on, guys. Nothing at all I don't see going on. Get little dash of rain. Little dash of rain. Little dash of rain. So hey guys, I'm here. You know, a nice little spot. I don't know it's my favorite spot is guys. So alright guys, so finished beard and everything. Now I'm leaving back the river. We need to wrap up in a material, but there you go. I'm not even about it. Yeah. Like one time me hear somebody say they don't know why people have to clean back of their ears. I'm giving you a hint. You see, anytime you sleep and any water will come out of your mouth, and right back of your ears it drain and go. Right back of it. I tell you not to see. Yo, my super full of water. It's full of water, guys. You guys. Jamaican. We are born Jamaican. Real Jamaican. Coming from the river. Coming from the river. We are born Jamaican. Coming from the river. Oh my god, guys. Wish I could stay longer. So guys, I'm walking from a real country, you know? Real country.